billions of people. By 2050, world population will be 9 billion. 785 million people are in hunger. 2 billion people are with obesity. 2 billion are with micronutritional deficiency. World is changing very fast. World is facing biggest challenges. Millions of farmers, thousands of processors, hundreds of varieties, working for only one vision: hunger-free world. Rice is staple food for more than 50% population of the world. Most of the people in the world today are consuming rice in the form of white millet or parboiled rice. Majority of East Asian countries and Western world is dependent upon white millet rice. Consumers from these countries need high quality of aged rice or old rice. Aged rice is biggest selling commodity among the cereals. So age of the rice plays crucial role in the consumer selection due to its cooking properties. According to research, 0 to 3 months of paddy or rice are not suitable for milling. 3 to 6 months of paddy or rice exhibits poor cooking results. 6 months aged paddy is having below average cooking results. 9 months old paddy will exhibit average cooking results. 12 months aged paddy will exhibit good cooking results. Storage of the paddy for the long time is kind of creating stagnant economy. There is an innovative process technology which transforms a very new paddy to approximately 1-year-old paddy in terms of its cooking results and consumer requirements. That too in just couple of hours. We, APIT from India, want to redefine the aging process of paddy, which will give extraordinary, unbelievable benefits for the processors, and consumers will be delighted with cooking results which is filled with taste and nutrition. That's the technology called super aging technology. APIT inviting and influencing all white rice milling processors to take this opportunity to adopt this new technology and convert your stagnant economy to progressive one. Freshly harvest paddy into nutri-enriched rice. Thanks to APIT for its innovative super aging technology, which can produce high quality of super aged rice based on the global consumer preferences. APIT super aging technology ensures best rice in terms of its quality parameters and nutritional aspects. APIT also ensures proper hygiene process, nutritional preservation, environmental friendly methodologies. What is super aging technology? The process of thermal treatment and thermal seasoning to induce the changes in the paddy or rice in a short time to obtain best cooking properties which resemble that of naturally aged rice and galvanized with more micronutrients is referred to as super aging process. Super aging technology is big boon for all rice millers because it delivers least process broken, zero process rejections, highest water uptake ratio, maximum volume expansion, extra elongation of cooked rice kernel, maximum shelf life of the cooked rice. All the cooking characteristics are as same as natural aged rice. In reality, super aging rice exhibits improvised cooking and pasting properties. Maximum fluffiness in between rice kernels in serving plate, exhibits natural sensory properties, and also technology helps in retention of vitamins or minerals. Geometric expansion of cooked grains is evident while cooking. Loss of grain solids after cooking of super aged rice very less as compared to freshly harvested rice. Come, let's walk through the process and infrastructure of super aging technology. Feeding elevator. The operation of the super aging technology starts with the feeding elevator. The feeding elevator carries the completely cleaned and uniformly dried raw paddy to the chain conveyor, which transports the paddy to the surge bin. At the end of the elevator, the buckets are emptied by gravity into the discharge section. The APIT feeding elevator is designed for its high efficiency of bulk material handling and is updated with latest technologies like speed monitor, belt slack monitor, energy meter, information receiving and sending station. Feeding elevator transfers paddy to surge bin with natural gravity. Surge bin. Surge bins are fabricated for sufficient amount of storage of to be processed raw paddy. Our surge bins are equipped with level monitoring sensors. These sensors stops the filling when it reaches at a definite maximum level. Once the paddy is filled up to holding capacity, pneumatic slide gates will open and then the paddy is fed to super aging cookers. Pneumatic slide gate. The pneumatic slide gate will work by the direction of PLC with a source of air and electric supply. The operation of slide gate will work by continuously supplying of air. Meanwhile, electrical supply to the coil. The slide gate will perform the operations like either it will open or close according to the process design. Gel Cook Station. APIT-SUPER aging station is deployed to achieve the most accurate equilibrium aging temperature or EAT. The equilibrium aging temperature or EAT, which ensures uniform color, texture, gel consistency, shelf life and best qualities of milled rice. APIT-SUPER aging station is a unique concept that consists a set of aging cookers, which in turn consists of 3 alternates of dynamic thermal treatment stations and dynamic thermal seasoning stations. These stations are having unique geometrical shape arranged vertically with increasing intensity of heat load to give best quality of aged rice. The intensity of the heat load is directly proportional to the amount of sensible heat load in each zone, which further depends on the size of the heat load distributor pipes. Heat load in the form of latent heat of steam will be given to the cleaned paddy. The uniform heat load spreads across all the zones. The most important aspects of aging cookers are patented branched Spurger heating systems. Each dynamic thermal treatment zone has branched heat distribution Spurger system. Branched Spurger heating system provides 3-dimensional thermal treatment to the paddy. It gives effective distribution of heat load to each and every grain in all directions. To achieve equilibrium aging temperature, the source of the heat obtained by low pressure steam, 3-dimensional thermal treatment. The uniqueness of the aging station and Spurgler is that the mass of the paddy will get equilibrium aging temperature in the 3 stages. In this first dynamic thermal treatment station and thermal seasoning station, the paddy will change their original position to 120-degree angle. Here, grain will achieve 20% of equilibrium aging temperature. In the second dynamic thermal treatment station and thermal seasoning station, it changes the angle up to 240 degree. Here grain will achieve 35% of equilibrium aging temperature. And then in the final dynamic thermal treatment station and thermal seasoning station, it achieves approx to 360 degree angle. Here grain will achieve 45% of equilibrium aging temperature. By this, paddy completes one circular direction in the cooker for getting all directional thermal treatment. In overall, grain will achieve 100% of equilibrium aging temperature. Rotary discharge machine. It contains a rotating type monitor fixed with discharge plate. It is basically consisting the set of vanes inside the rotary chamber along with coupled gearbox to control the output. The discharge operation of the rotary machine will purely influence of aging cooker's linear temperature acquisition towards the grain. It's termed as equilibrium aging temperature, which helps to get the desired quality of paddy or rice. If the paddy unable to acquire equilibrium aging temperature, the rotary discharge machine will act as block and treat machine. Distribution box. Rotary discharge machine transfers the paddy to distribution box. Here, the distribution box plays a key role in the process, and it will distribute the equilibrium aging temperature paddy to tanks respectively by using the pneumatic slide gates. Thermal seasoning tanks. Thermal seasoning tanks plays very crucial role in aging process of the paddy. After thermal treatment in aging cookers, resting process called thermal seasoning in the thermal seasoning paddy will be conditioned or thermally seasoned for specific time. This time will be referred as enzyme deactivation time or ENDAC time. ENDAC time is based on the consumer color preference. Intensity of color acquisition is dependent on the age of the paddy. In the ENDAC time, every grain will get uniform color across each and every pixel of the grain. Hence, it assures almost zero process rejection. At the end of the thermal seasoning, system will deliver super aged paddy or rice. So, equilibrium aging temperature plus enzyme deactivation time will result in super aged paddy. Our complete super aging technology process is driven by pre-designed process values from the world's first process design software, PROS. Thanks to PROS process design software for having more than 5,000 simulated process design data, which can be applicable for most of the global varieties of rice. Our PROS software is designed on the basis of 4 crucial parameters of grain. We call them as EMAD, enzyme deactivation temperature of processed grain, moisture of the grain at processing point, age of the paddy at processing point, average density of the raw material in machine, time, temperature and pressure in the heat load depend on moisture, age and density of the paddy. Our complete process will be controlled by excellent hardware plus software combo. Our automation system is built with Industry 4.0. All our plants enabled with Industrial Internet of Things. Our process decision results are artificial intelligence based on simulations. We use most advanced technologies like AR or augmented reality for maintenance of the plant. Discharge gates. After the thermal seasoning process, super aged paddy are discharged via auto discharge gates with specified output rate with maximum 3% to 4% moisture from the input paddy. This increased moisture paddy will reach dryer for drying. APIT-SUPER aging technology ensures that at the end of the super aging system, we obtain super aged paddy with uniform color consistency. After milling with standard milling machine, standard degree of milling, one can observe following. Here, volume expansion of grain is increased after cooking. Because of it takes more than 13% to 15% extra water uptake ratio on the process. Present generation already borrowed most of the natural resources from the future generation. Along with that, we assure that our latest technology is designed for most energy efficient and utility efficient. Come, let's create the food secured and natural resource secured world. Together, we can create grain revolution, which will make world more rice consuming, rice enjoying, healthy, hunger-free world.